warmed my gloves up over on the furnace while it was on. Probably original to the house, 1970s. I'm just here to be doing a camera inspection, so. I think it's turning slowly. It hurts. Alrighty guys, so that cover is definitely not coming off this way. I'm gonna have to cut it off and then just replace it with another 3.5 inch brass. So I'll be right back with the Sawzall and we'll go from there. Just finished getting everything set up here. Got my Sawzall. Milwaukee, Team Red, always. Got my gloves on, so we're just going to cut this nut off and then cut up through the sides and then pull out what we need to pull out. See if I can do this way so you guys can see what I'm doing. Cut that blade off, cut that nut off on the end, and then we'll go up at angles there. So let's see if I can set this up back here so you can see better what I'm gonna do. As far as the angles go. See that better now. So we cut these slits here, but we don't like to go all the way because we don't want to break the we don't want to slice the threads in the cast. It causes leaks and we don't want any of that stuff. Lower that back down. Give you a different perspective here. This will be much better with multiple cameras. And hopefully as I get better at recording this, then we can get a few cameras and I can put them at different angles Yeah, we can go from there. Put those. Now we like to take our good old hammer and a flathead. See if we can put in a separation here. So we don't damage the threads. So, let's see how we can do this. Ooh, see? A lot easier. Definitely makes a difference, but I separated it up here at the thread, so let's see if I can do it. I'm a short stroker. Bob, you make this look much easier than I do. Look at that, now we're getting somewhere. Took a little bit to cut that, Bob.
What we do here is go back.
But we'll fix it up now, so. A little bit more to go. I just want to make sure I get it all over
Big jump.
Taper down. here, but now I can start here. Good. You came down just in time. I'm getting ready to stick the camera in. computer in here? On the shelf? Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, that's like original. Like the first one that came out. Do you want it? Oh, you're throwing it all away? I want these stock pots. Stock pots? Clams, and then there's a stew pot right there. And then that silver thing up top that's still in the plastic. Yeah, you can probably make some money off that. It's a flour sifter, but it's probably real silver judging by looking at it. Ooh, I think I have good news. Right outside the foundation wall, it looks like it might be SDR.
What's that?
Plastic. The green plastic SDR pipe. So that might be good news for us. I want to see this out back here at the end. I want to zero this up back here at the clean out stuff right there. We can know the exact footage for when it hits the city connection. I think I have good news for you. I look down here and I see him right away. I see a white, see down at the end there?
Yeah.
See it? That white turn? That's PVC, and then the green is Schedule 30 SDR, which is also plastic PVC. So that's good. I don't know if that goes all the way around. You have a little bit of standing water and some pipe scale in here, but that's nothing that you can't just clean out really quickly. I record coming back, so I'm not pushing up against anything.
In your opinion, when would they have switched over this? Do you know in this area when they switched over this house?
Instead of septic,
Yeah.
she has the tie-in at 1974. You said?
Yeah,
74.
I have the
so.
permit. But when they tied in, you want to see it.
A lot of this area turned over right around that time. Some people went the extra cost and put in this PVC SDR. Some people decided to stick with what they call Orangeburg or Bermico, which is in this area as
That's what I
well.
was telling you about.
So-
This is the pipes, the Bruce Grove
Yeah.
here. Yeah, okay. So that's not in there, you're saying?
Right. You are holding water if you guys haven't been running any water for a
Well,
while.
we did, yesterday. Yesterday, everything was just to make sure that everything was, I ran the dishwasher, and so
Just to make sure everything was running.
to make sure there wasn't any, any obvious,
leaks or
Yeah,
something like that.
exactly.
Okay. But so if you look in here, you're definitely holding a little bit of water. It's not like a belly. My camera's not fully under it, so I wouldn't stress about that. I just got that down my sleeve. Okay, so here you go under a little. We'll see why and see how long that footage is.
How do you keep that camera clean?
How do I keep it clean?
How's it stay clean? No, I'm saying in there, as you're going through all the crap. I'm just saying, the image is pretty good
Yes,
right
no, it's
now.
good as not. Sometimes it gets blocked up with something, and I'm like, hey, can you go upstairs and run a little bit of water
Yeah.
so I can go back and forth and clean the head, but I'll go like this so that nothing comes back at me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, luckily there's been nothing flushed down this toilet for years.
Yeah, because the image is pretty clear, I was just surprised.
Yeah.
Modern
Very clear.
technology. So it looks like you actually have an outside clean out
Oh, nice.
at about 29 feet from here, and it definitely turns that way. So why don't we go outside
It's probably at the corner, right?
and see if I can locate where that is.